Hey all, Kwame here with a really quick tutorial for Shane Krobish. I hope I haven't really butchered your name, but so you posted in one of the Squarespace tips and tricks groups that you wanted this network status to be controllable via your Squarespace announcement bar. So if we go over to a demo site, yeah, I mean, I can italic, I can bold, I can underline, but I can't change the text color here. And that kind of sucks. So my workaround here, if we head on over to custom CSS, it's pretty simple. So first thing we're going to do, let's label my CSS for announcement. So I figured I'd just make a page and it's for the availability of this photographer. So first thing I want to do is I want to set the basic styles. So if they're available, it's going to be green. We saw the formatting options we have, so I'm going to say unstyled is green. But first thing I'm actually going to do is just reset styles, just in general. And this bit needs to go at the top because some of the other stuff coming further down below is going to below in the cascade is going to override it and keeps our CSS nice and dry. This ID here targets the announcement bar. P is for the text inside. And then I'm going to use an is selector and I'm going to target span and M. And I will explain why in a second. So the first thing I want to do is I want to do the color as green. Then, actually, I also kind of want to do a second selector here. And this one is just going to be for P. There we go. So that's changed it to green. Step one, nice and easy. The thing is, because we're going to be using, well, we've got bold in use here, so we don't want to overwrite that. So we're going to use underline and italic. So first we need to use font style none to override the italic. And then we need to do, sorry, not none, normal. And then we need to do text decoration. My spelling is atrocious today, and I've even missed out the L there, haven't I? Oh, no, I haven't. Text decoration, none. Now, we're going to add an important here, and the reason being is this span up here. You see, when Squarespace puts an underline on this text, to do it, it uses an inline style, which just is more specific, so we need to overwrite it. So right now we've got basics. Availability busy, green, things are looking good. If we go back to our announcement bar, well, actually, I should have just said available, but there you go. Let's say we want this to be busy. So I'm going to highlight the whole thing. I'm going to let's use underline for busy. And I'm going to save it. No underline, great. That means my CSS is working so far. That's this span selector here and the text decoration none. So the next thing I want to do is grab my selector again, and I'm going to say underline is red. And let's open my curlies. I want this to target the span within the P element, and I'm going to say color red. I can spell. Nice and easy. And let's go back and check. So if it's underlined, it's red. If it's not underlined, it's green. So you can guess what's next. Italic. It's not changing to italic. Perfect. Let's save that. Let's go back to our CSS. And we're just going to copy this, edit it to say what we want. So it's going to be italic is yellow. And obviously you can change your colors. Let me change that to yellow. And obviously it's not changing because it's not wrapped in a span now. It's got M because it's an italic. That yellow is hideous and can't be read. So let's maybe change it to orange. And there we go. You can change text to whatever. It doesn't preclude you from using hyperlinks. Yeah, it's pretty easy. One other optional bonus you might want is disable click. And if you don't want this X to appear and you want to prevent them, your visitors from being able to disable the announcement bar for some reason, let's just put display none on that element. And now there's nothing to click out. That announcement bar will stay there. You can style it however else you want, but now you have a nice, easy way, not the mobile information bar, apologize. Now you have a nice, easy way. Let's say I want my availability to be busy. I'll just switch it to underline. Maybe I want nothing, and I'm available. Easy peasy. And maybe I want it to be almost booked up. Now, obviously, the application for you would be just do it with your network status, and you are good to go. I hope this has helped.